Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain about common mistake people make when replacing fuses and relays that can end up you spending quite a bit of money on diagnostics tools, parts that you may not need. Make sure you stay until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video if you have a Ford Explorer, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2015. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the blower motor, fan, fuses and relays are located, you will need to check multiple fuses and relays. We'll explain why. We'll explain where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way do not waste money and time. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine lights, transmission lights, fuses, relays. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, check out our YouTube channels. We have, guys, more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. For the blower, motor, fan, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this Ford Explorer here, and today we're working two different fuse boxes, guys. The first one is a little bit hard to reach. We need to open the driver door, then you need to come all the way in the driver's side footwell compartment, look behind the parking brake, up in the dash on the very left side. You will find a fuse box. It will have a black cover like this one. Press these two tabs, pull the cover out. Behind it is the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here, guys, we need to check two fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box, check a few more. What we are talking about here, fuse number 35, that 5M fuse here will need to be checked. Then you guys need to check fuse 46, that 10M fuse right here. After that, you need to open the hood on your Ford Explorer. On the driver's side next to the car battery, you have the fuse box. Press these two tabs, leave the cover open, you will find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. What we need to check here, guys, quite a few fuses and relays. Check all of them because those are for the practically the HVAC system, guys, which is a heater, AC ventilation system, guys. Here we need to start by checking fuse number 18 right here. Will need to be checked. Fuse number 39 right there. After that, you need to check fuse 62. So that's 65, 64, 63, 62. That 10M fuse right there. Check that one. You need to check fuse number 70. So that's 67, 68, 69, 70 right here. Next, you need to check fuse 89 right here. You need to check fuse 93 right there. And then, guys, we need to check specifically relay 32, talking about that relay right here, relay 34 after that one here, and relay 98. 98, guys, will be that relay on the very top left corner right here. All of these, guys, will need to be checked on your Ford Explorer. So, guys, by the way, you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, circuit breakers, and check under the hood. It's even more complicated, guys. And even you have some special fuses, okay, like this one right here. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. We'll recommend to buy some, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.